Hello everyone, this is Tommy with Profile Industries. I'm the Business Development Manager here, and joining me today is our CEO, Steve DeJong.
Hey Tommy.
Steve. Today we're just going to ask a few different questions of Steve and kind of hear a little bit more about Profile through the lens of Steve. So, starting off, if you could just kind of briefly explain company history and who we are and what we do.
Well, we're a 30-year-plus company manufacturing equipment for the agriculture and industrial markets, addressing processing issues that they have through engineering, designing, sorting equipment.
So 30 years, it's a long time for a company to be around. How did you specifically start with the company?
Well, it's a family company. My dad started in the 90s, and I just moved into the position after another business.
And so you started on the shop floor? Did you start in sales?
I was doing engineering and sales, marketing, quite a few hats I was wearing back then.
So what are some of the key industries that we're in and that we solve specific problems for, and then kind of globally, where do we stand?
So we're in mining, and we're in agriculture, the seed and the grain industry. We're in the aerospace industry, automotive, around the world, Europe, South America, Asia, India, North America. And we're the leading manufacturer of mechanical shape sorting.
So if someone was to come ask you what's the main difference between Profile and another company that maybe does shape sorting or sorting solutions, what would you say makes us different?
We're a family business. We're not like large corporations. We can react fast, and we have a team of people that are just terrific to work with.
Going off of that, could you share maybe a little bit about a customer that came to us with a specific challenge that we're able to deliver a solution on? Anything that comes to mind?
One comes to mind out east, processor of mustard seed. He had been using some old technology, having a lot of quality issues. Ended up helping him design a system that fit what he was trying to process, and ended up tripling his business.
That's cool. That's cool. Well, that's what we're all about here at Profile Industries. We're here help you get an ROI on a solution and help solve your problems. So here's just kind of a behind-the-scenes look and discussion with our CEO, Steve DeJong. So thanks for hopping on today.
Thank you for having me.
Oh, yeah. We'll see you next time.